Learn English words with examples. Harmony. A state of agreement or of peaceful existence together. We should live in harmony with nature. Admire. To respect or look up to someone. I admire her hard work. Gratitude. Appreciation to someone or something. He expressed his gratitude to the teacher. Generous. Willing to give money, help, kindness, etc. He is always generous to his friends. Wisdom. Ability to use knowledge, experience, and good judgment. The old man shared his wisdom with the children. Polite. Showing good manners toward others. Always be polite to others. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.